Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down a little bit to find the wallpaper section, so let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got the local photos, which is actually your own gallery. We've got recently used, pre-installed ones, live wallpapers and super wallpapers. What's more, if you will have the internet connection, then you will be able to check some online wallpapers, which is quite a cool option. I highly recommend to check the possible wallpapers here because they are so cute and really beautiful. But probably I will pick something from the super wallpapers, because I believe this is the very first one in the Xiaomi device where we've got this feature. But first of all, let me focus in order to show you how to set regular wallpaper if you prefer. So let me pick something from the pre-installed ones, and all you have to do in order to check the preview is to simply tap on it. As you can see, it will appear at the full screen, and if you are happy with your choice, you will have to tap on apply. And right now you will be able to pick where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, and then the wallpaper will be applied. But as I said, let me get back to the albums, and let me pick something from the super wallpapers. And as you can see, here we've got also some options from which we can choose. This one is probably defaultly installed. Those we have to download, but that's okay. Let me pick the Snowy Peaks. Let's tap. And as you can see, this is quite a cool option, because here we've got three, let's say, options and positions. Right now we can see how this wallpaper will look like on the always on display. After showing the lock screen, and the image will be focused on the top of the mountain, which is also cool. And after unlocking it, it will look like it. So I really believe this is a very cool option and cool feature. So let me pick it. Let's tap on apply, and as you can see, we've got the information that it was applied successfully. So here we've got the difference. Our device did not ask us if we want to set it on the home screen or lock screen, obviously, because this wallpaper is like the combination of three. And what's more, we do not have the always on display. I mean, I do not have the always on display turned on, so that's why the device asked me if I want to turn it on. Unfortunately, I tapped somewhere here and the information just disappeared, but no worries, we will just go back to always on display, and I will turn it on manually, because I want to really check the full option, full feature. So let me lock the device and let's check. As you can see here, we've got the always on display. We can see full mountain. After unlocking it, we can see that it focused on the very top of the mountain, and after unlocking, it just slightly changed the position. Very cool option. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.